If you're looking to get a new set of gloves for anything, whether it's tattoo removal or just to clean things or cooking or anything like that, you definitely want to be checking out these gloves by LW Concept. This was a free sample by them, so thank you so much for the sample. So they're nitrate powder free exam gloves. So of course you can just use them really for anything. So there's 100 of them inside. You just pull them out like you would any glove, just like so. So this is the large size. So they're a little bit big on me. So as you can see, they're a little baggy. They're not too tight, but that's okay. I mean, they're still very comfortable, and then they're easy to put on. So I actually like them a little bit baggy, so they're not like super tight and they don't break. So that's they would look like that. So they don't have any like a some gloves have like a smell. These really don't. They're just gloves, so they don't have any funky smell or anything like that. This is what they look like on the back. Cover it like that. So that is the packaging. Very nice. And again, you can use these for anything you need. Either even cleaning diapers or washing dishes or anything. And they're disposable, latex free. So yeah, so they're great. Hope you check them out and hope you use them.